Hello everyone. So our question is, from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. So in this question, let us suppose the height of the building is AB. So AB is the height of the building, which is 7 meter high, and the CD with the height of the tower. So CD is the height of the tower. So we have to find out the height of the tower, that is CD. So first consider the triangle ADB. So if this angle is 30 degree, so angle ADB is also 30 degree from alternate interior angle. Also AB is equals to ED. AB is equals to ED. Is equals to 7 meter. So in triangle ADB, we applied tan 30. So tan 30 is equals to perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular is angle side opposite to this angle. So this is AB. Perpendicular upon base is BD. As we know that tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 is equals to AB is 7 meter upon BD. So BD is unknown. So from this, BD is equals to 7 root 3. This is equation number 1. So as we know that BD is equals to AE. So BD is equals to AE is equal to 7 root 3. Now we consider the triangle AEC. In triangle AEC, again we have to apply tan. Tan 60 is equals to perpendicular, that is CE. Tan 60 is equals to perpendicular upon base, so CE upon AE. CE upon AE. Tan 60 is equals to root 3. CE is we have to find out, and AE we have already find out that AE is equals to 7 root 3. This implies CE is equals to 7 root 3 into root 3. So 7 root 3 into root 3 is 3. 7 3s are 21 meter. So this we can find the value of CE. CE is 21 meter, and ED is equals to AB, which is 7 meter. So the height of tower, which is equals to CD, and CD is equals to CE plus ED. CE plus ED. So CE is equals to 21 meter plus ED. ED is equals to 7 meter. So 28 meter is our required answer.